Weather from where you live.
Well, beautiful spring-like day today, but a powerhouse storm is taking shape to our west. You can see these are blizzard watches and warnings, a lot of high wind watches and warnings for many states to the west. And as the storm pivots up this way, we'll have an ice storm in Iowa, southern Wisconsin. There's your up to 2 feet of snow in Minnesota and the Dakotas, while there'll be tornadoes in the south. And some of that severe weather will get into portions of Indiana. We'll talk more about that here in just a few minutes. In the meantime, just a lot of wide swings in the weather this week. We're talking a lot of wind and a battle between spring and winter. The warmest day since November 14th on Wednesday, but it'll be a very windy day and some showers and storms really early mid part of the week and then again to end of the week. Tomorrow, upper 40s to mid 50s even. Crawfordsville and Perrysville at 54, but 52 Lafayette, 50 Monticello, 49 Logansport, kind of breezy. Clouds will be on the increase. Then Wednesday, we're talking 60s area wide. 66 Lafayette, 68 Crawfordsville, 65 Burlington, and 63 at Rochester, even Remington at 64 degrees. But there's a price to pay. A lot of wind and maybe even a few storms on Wednesday. Let's talk about that storm threat here on Futurecast. Again, increasing clouds tomorrow. We may get a few showers in here by late in the evening. And then the main wave of scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms, passes tomorrow night. It'll move pretty quickly, and this will exit on Wednesday morning. With that first wave, there could even be a little bit of severe weather down towards Indianapolis and Richmond. We look to be okay Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. But as we get into Wednesday afternoon, once that first wave of rain comes through in the morning, the sun will come out. We'll warm up into those 60s, and then a cold front will slice through during the afternoon. And I think probably about right here, we'll see a very narrow little squall line of storms that'll pop. And then as it moves eastward, it'll probably organize enough to go severe east of the viewing area. So not overly concerned about the severe threat yet, but this has the potential to be shifted to the northwest. And rainfall, it's not going to be a lot because it's a quick moving system. Generally around a third of an inch, pretty much area wide, Tuesday night into Wednesday, 3,300 Delphi, 3/10 expected at Peru. Now on Wednesday, just general winds will be 50 to 55 miles per hour at the peak gusts. Remington, Rensselaer, Morocco, Fowler, 45 to 50 mile per hour gusts pretty much across the rest of the viewing area. It could be a little higher here, Frankfort to Burlington, and then with the squall line of storms that gets going, we get some gusts here off to the eastern part of Indiana up to 60 miles per hour as the powerful storm moves through, and then the temperature takes a nosedive. 66 Wednesday, 32 Wednesday night, 38 Thursday, perhaps a couple snow showers, but then another pretty powerhouse storm with wind, rain, and thunderstorms comes in later Friday into Friday night. A few snow showers Saturday with 38, then we're back to 55 on Monday. And looking at some of the longer range data, by around March 12th or so, we may actually hit 70. So there's some pretty warm weather in the forecast, and as dynamic and as active as this weather pattern is, it doesn't bode well for the spring severe weather season. So we'll have to keep an eye